Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. I know this is a whole lot of Chris coming at you, but I wanted you to see the eye look that I created with a palette that I am going to show you today. Why I didn't do my eye makeup on video for you, I'm glad you asked. This palette, although it is absolutely gorgeous and I love it, stunning shades, has the most fallout that I think I have had, period, in an eyeshadow palette. But love it, beautiful colors. I will review it for you, give you all the details here in just a minute. I will zoom out so that way you don't have this much Chris coming at you through the whole thing. Alright, this is much better. Welcome to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris. Thank you so much for checking us out. We are a brand new channel and we're just trying to build up a nice community here of makeup lovers. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors. It's called Parkinson's syndrome. It's a genetic early onset Parkinson's disease, and that's how everything got started. I wanted to show that just because you have challenges does not mean you have to give up what you love, and I feel a little more confident to go out and face the day if I feel like I look good, and so makeup gives me that confidence. So today we are going to review the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice eyeshadow palette. I love this. The colors are gorgeous. So you have your little mirror with the little gingerbread man, and then your colors. They are beautiful. I love this palette, but like I said, oh my gosh, the fallout was pretty bad. So I will talk about that at, towards the end of whether I recommend it or not, and if I do, what I recommend doing to kind of make up for that fallout. So this is available anywhere Too Faced is sold. I got mine from Ulta, I do believe, and it retails for $49. So let's see what they have to say about it. Gets good reviews. Says that it should be a permanent addition, and it has no, there we go. Sorry. I'm like, how can they not have a description on Ulta? Okay, add a little spice to your life with a deliciously sweet gingerbread spice eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. Includes 18 multi-finish warm and toasty shadows that glide on with buttery smoothness for playful pops of color that smell like fresh baked gingerbread. And they do. If you guys know anything about Too Faced, you know everything kind of, if they have the peach, it smells like peach. The chocolate bar one smells like chocolate bar. Oh, this smells heavenly. Benefits: 18 multi-finish gingerbread inspired shades, buttery smooth texture for comfortable wear, smells like yummy gingerbread. So $49 for 18 shades. That's not bad considering Too Faced is really good quality. Like I said, I had such bad fallout with this. I walked out to show my husband and he said that it looked like someone beat the crap out of me with as much fallout as it's got with these shadows. But it's kind of like the ABH eyeshadows. When they're real soft, they can do that. So I am going to start with the top row here and swatch for you. I'm going to do one row at a time, and we are going to start with powdered sugar. Not pretty. And then spiked eggnog. That's nice, shimmery there. Oh, the powdered sugar is a matte, by the way. I missed that one. So spiked eggnog's nice shimmer. Gumdrop is beautiful. It is a bright pink magenta matte. Gingerbread is a matte with a little bit of glitter in it. Looks like, is that from the bottom? From the one, that's from Reindeer Paws, which is underneath it. So gingerbread is a matte tan, warm and toasty, beautiful gold. You guys know I love my golds and coppers. Look at that metallic gold there. And then Ooh Burn is a metallic Plum. So that is the first row there. Now, I couldn't wait to do this on video. Usually I try to wait if I get something new to try it out for the first time. And I'm glad I didn't with all the fallout, but I've been using this a couple times since I got it. So the next one is Frostbite Me. And this is actually more of a top coat shade of glitter. It doesn't have a lot of pigment to it. When I put it on with my finger to swatch it, of course it looks like it does, but it really doesn't have that much. So Looky at My Cookie is a matte pale peachy pink, and this is a very pretty color. Spice is Nice is a burnt orange kind of pumpkin color matte. That's a very pretty one. Perfect for fall. Oh Snap is a metallic. It's got little flecks of glitter in it. Kind of a dark rosy brown, medium rosy brown. Bake It Till You Make It is a coppery purple plum hybrid. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I have that on today. And then Spice of Life is a metallic green with gold. Look at that. So that is row number 2. And we'll get on to the last row, row number 3. Sorry guys, I don't have enough arm room for an 18 shadow palette to all fit on my arm. So let's go into Sugar Daddy, which is a matte pale pink. That's pretty color. Figgy Pudding is a dark, well, fig purple. I'd say eggplant, but it's called Figgy Pudding, so we'll say fig. Hot Toddy, beautiful copper metallic. Look at that. Bright copper metallic. You know I love my coppers. Reindeer Paws is a very dark brown, kind of with a gray hue to it. Then Gingerbread Latte is a nice medium brown. One of the good transition colors they've got in there. And last but not least, one of my favorites that I am wearing today, Spiced Rum. This had the most fallout. That Spiced Rum, that last one, had the most fallout of all of them. So I did experience enough fallout that I would recommend doing your eyes first, because even with a shadow shield, it comes underneath the shadow shield itself. I do love the colors though. I love the shadows. I love the Too Faced formula for their shadows. They stay. When I have worn any of these looks, they stayed on beautifully. They don't muddy up together. They blend like a dream, whether you're blending the colors together or you're blending them to sheer them out. Let's say, you know, the crease and you blend it up to sheer it out a little bit. And they do great. $49 for 18 shades. I mean, that's average for Too Faced. I like that too. Now, next month, or this month, November, is the Sephora VIB sale. So different weekends get, you know, the different levels, whether you are Beauty Insider, VIB, or Rouge, you have different weekends that you can use your percentages off. And so if you are a member, which it's totally free to sign up, go ahead and use that and get the sale on this, because honestly, you can use this year round with the beautiful pinks. I mean, you can use this in the spring, do a beautiful pink look. You can use it in the winter with the browns. You can use it in the fall, beautiful fall colors. They are all just stunning. I know I'm not supposed to use the word stunning, but they're stunning. I highly recommend it. Even though with the fallout, like I said, do your eyes first. Now, if fallout is a big thing for you and you don't want to deal with it, then I wouldn't purchase this one. I would honestly purchase something else. You know, the chocolate gold palette, I wouldn't say it's similar, but, you know, it's a good palette that you could get with, you know, out as much fallout as this does. But if you can work with it, honestly, it is a beautiful palette. So that about does it. Now I want to tack on a little thing at the end here. We are almost to 50 subscribers, and I am going to do a giveaway when we hit 50. I'm actually got a couple things, so I'm going to draw 3 names like I did last time. So please spread the word. Please subscribe. We just want to build up the makeup community to really be a community. So, you know, makeup pros and makeup mavens, let us pick your brains. If you're new to makeup, this is perfect because a lot of what I do is kind of back to basics stuff. If you just like talking about makeup, perfect too, because I want to make a community where we all discuss everything beauty in the comments. So that does it. I will talk to you guys down in the comments section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.